In this session, let us learn about HTML table call group. The call group element is used to style specific columns of a table. If you want to style the two first columns of a table, use the call group and call elements. The call group element should be used as a container for the column specifications. Each group are specified with a call element. The span attribute specifies how many columns that gets the style. The style attribute specifies the style to give the columns. Note, there is a very limited selection of legal CSS property for call groups. See the example and code. By writing and executing this code, see here we are using collapse method width 100%, Colspan to style background color, hash D6 EE. See by writing and executing this code, TR. See, we are using 28 columns, TD table. See, the call group tag must be a child of table element and should be placed before any other table elements like head, TR, TD, etc. But after the caption element is present, like this. After caption element, we should use this element. See, by writing executing this code, the result returns this. So Monday, Tuesday was green, rest of them were white. Add the column group with the call element, the span or two columns to define style for two columns. Two columns where define our style. Legal CSS properties. There are only a very limited selection of CSS properties that are allowed to be used in the call group. Width property, visibility property, background properties, border properties. All other CSS properties will have no effect on your tables. See, let us see the example. Multiple call elements. If you want to style more columns with different styles, use more call elements inside the call group. See, now we are using more call elements inside the call group. Check the code. You can understand easily. Try it in your notepad or text pad. Pause the video and type the code as it is. Okay, by executing this code, the result returns this. Multiple call elements. Add multiple call elements in the group. See, Monday, Tuesday one color, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday another color, Saturday, Sunday white. Empty call groups. If you want to style columns in the middle of a table, insert a empty call element with no styles for the column before. See here code and result. Now we are using here empty column. See, empty call groups with 100%, Colspan to style background color 205 255 192. See, by writing and executing this code, we get this empty column result. See, empty call groups. Add empty column elements that represent the columns before the column you want to style. 3 and 2. Hide columns. You can hide columns with a visibility collapse property. See the code and result. Now we are using hide column groups, visibility collapse. After 3, they will be collapsed. See, by writing and executing this code, first check the code carefully. Pause the video and practice as it was in the video. The table column does not collapse properly in Safari browsers. By writing and executing this code, we get this result. See, hide columns. You can hide specific columns with the visibility properties. The table column does not collapse properly in Safari browsers. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 31 call group. In next video, let us learn about another topic, lists. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.